I got hooked in whiskey. It was a terrible thing. I just didn't dream the truth like swinging on a swing. I was a flying high. I was a flying high. And I didn't want to come back down. I didn't even wonder why. Whiskey first thing in the morning, whiskey last thing at night. Put the whiskey here by the bed, God, don't turn out the light. I'm a flying high. I don't even want to come back down for you.
牛排，牛排来了，来牛排。
Let me go swinging, swinging my boat. I lived by singing and playing. Booze that didn't work so good. My hands began to shake so bad. My head was made of blue. I was a flying high, flying high to the moon. And I did not want to come back down. Anyway, not too soon. When I began to notice it was already too late. My hell's had really gone to hell. I hardly slept or ate. I was a flying high. You know, I thought I was doing good, but I could not even count to 10, and my body hardly stood. Well, I still thought things were swinging. Couldn't even get out of bed. They took me to the hospital where they gave me up for dead. I was a flying high, but I was doing good, but I did not want to come back down, and I wouldn't have if I could. Let's do one together. How we got me through it all. Chance in a million, they say. Hope none of you ever make that scene. But you're nowhere where you think you're flying high. You think you're doing good. You might not want to come back down. Probably wouldn't if you could. There are angels up in heaven, devils down in hell, but I am somewhere in between, and living should feel swell. I'm feeling fine. I'm feeling fine. I don't know how or where or when, but I'm a feeling fine. Well, let's pick one together.